Phuresidennde Vho-Cyril Ramaphosa vho bva mulomo nga tshitereke tsha vhashumi nga fhasi ya dzangano la Nehawu nga tshifhinga tsha musi vha tshi khou fhindula mbudziso phalamnenndeni. Phuresidennde vho ita no amba nga nzudzanyo dza muhasho wa mapholisa kha u lwa na vhutshinyi khathihi na u amba nga u bvela phanḓa na maitele a u thola vhorapolotiki vha re na vhukoni muvhusoni.
Those workers who perform essential services, in our view, should not be on strike. They have the right to protest in whatever shape or form. But we should say that we will not allow any form of violence that will lead to people getting injured, people being prevented from performing their tasks, and also where lives can be lost as a result of people being on strike. We call on those who are on strike to continue to put the interests and the lives of our people ahead of everything else. The protests that are underway, yes, are well understood. They can express their dissatisfaction, but even as they do so, staying away from work, they must also know that it is on the basis of no work, no pay. The Department of Police, under the leadership of the Minister, developed the Integrated Crime and Violence Prevention Strategy. This strategy complements other interventions that respond to crime and violence, such as victim support, access to justice, improvements to policing, and strengthening of the criminal justice system. The South African Police Service has also developed a national policing strategy, which was approved in September of 2022 and is currently being implemented by the National Commissioner. The DA has been the real expert at making sure that the people that they appoint are people who are aligned to their own thinking and philosophy. You look at their record, and they've been unashamed about it. They've been quite clear that this is precisely how they operate. Now, they hide it. They hide behind this notion of accusing the ANC of cadre development. And in doing so, we are no different from other parties around the world. That is exactly how governing parties operate. So that's what the DA does, and that's what the ANC will continue doing.